Alright, I am Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm going to show you a vintage Class 15 clone. It is badged as an Electro Grand. It is turquoise or light blue in color. Very nice graphics all the way around. Has very nice trim along the deck all the way around, in good shape. The painted surface is in excellent condition with lots of shine. It's a basic straight stitch machine. Straight stitch and reverse controlled here. Bob and winder on the wheel, and you have 4 level feed dogs. And as I said, it is a Class 15 clone. It uses Class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, and it is a low shank machine. The threads on the end, your tensioners on the end instead of on the front. Comes with a manual, some bobbins, and a zipper foot. Just serviced and ready to go. Has a 1 amp motor. Very nice little machine. It's tabletop ready, or it does share the dimensions with Singer, so it will fit in a cabinet or a carrying case that are easily found on your local Craigslist or thrift shops. And here we go. This is the machine. Standard low shank feet and attachments will fit. Very nice. 5 layers of Levi's denim using a size 16 needle. Easy to use little machine. Nothing hard about it at all, except the fact that it's a hard worker. And there's your 5 layers of Levi's. Nice stitch. And a couple layers of garment leather. If you're going to work a lot with leather or vinyl, you might want to invest in a low shank even feed or walking foot. This makes it a little easier on the machine's motor. Helps the machine between the foot and the feed dogs. Nice stitch on the leather. And that is your vintage Electro Grand Class 15 clone straight stitch machine.